actually open the pricing calculation for this purling bolt, you can you can see exactly what Shedmate's doing there. So we just copied the same roof bracing 3 times. But let's say that, hey, my company, I wanted to do it 4 times. All we have to do is copy one of those rules another time, and then Shedmate is going to calculate that roof bracing 4 times, and that's what's doing. It's just multiplying that by 3 or 4. So here's when every company can be a bit different. So this is an example using a very basic calculation. We're just copying those rules, but you could use actually a formula there, just like we have in Excel, saying, hey, I want to get, the number of columns. I want to multiply that by 3, and I want to, remove something specifically. So like the sky's the limit here, guys. You can really do anything in terms of these calculations using any Shedmate parameters that we have for a shed. And we have a lot of different parameters. Like I'm talking about thousands of different parameters you could use for it. But yeah, so like Raphael, if you can change that to instead of formula there, can you click on formula?
Yeah, I was doing that while you were talking. So basically, instead of duplicating the same condition 3 times, what you can do is have only once the roof bracings here, and then specify formula and just put a 3. Shedmate will know that it needs to multiply the quantity by 3. So now you have 24 here. And then we could do the same for the wall bracings.
Yep.
Is that what you wanted to show?
Yes, but something else I'd like to show there, if you just, it would be good to get another example there. So maybe the purling bolts for base column, or just click on any of those and see if I have like an actual formula on the bottom there, on the middle of the. You see? No. Maybe the purling bolts for base column. Yep, up. You just press it.
Yep.
That's another example. Yeah. So here, what we're doing is we're just using a different way to calculate it. But if you click on that formula, Raphael, that's what I want to show. That can be extremely flexible. So now it's actually triggering a variable, and if you actually just find that variable is all the way to the end.
Yeah, I can.
Click again, open the variable.
Yeah, I can open that up.
Search it.
It's purling formula for purling bolts. Purling bolts for column base connection.
Edit formula. I'd like you to click on edit formula.
There you go.
Yes, as you can see now, it's a different thing. So it's actually getting the column framings, and if it's a C frame, then I want to use 4, and it's multiplying that by different things. So if you go there on find variable, here's where you can actually search for anything that Shedmate has on the back. I might be saying the wrong terminology here, but the back end in all of the database of the shed you're building.